Hi everyone, welcome back to 10th standard maths class. In this video, we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 3, mathematics of chance, that is probability. Actually, it is a huge branch of mathematics. Okay, probability is a huge branch of mathematics. Lots of practical applications are there using this. But here, you need to learn only basics about probability. And you will learn about this chapter in detail in your higher classes. In plus 1 and plus 2, lots of things you need to learn about this. Okay, so probability means it's a chance of something will happen. Okay, probability means it's a chance of something will happen, like chance of winning a game, chance of failing a game, or chance of getting rain, etc, etc. Okay, for example, we are tossing a coin. Okay, we are tossing a coin. As we know, two parts are there, head part and tail part. Okay, for a coin, head part and tail part is there. Now, either we will get one head or we'll get one tail. Anyway, total is two chance. Okay, total two chances there. Okay, total two chances there for a coin, either head or tail. Now, what will be the chance of getting head there? If we toss a coin, what will be the chance of getting head? Either head or tail. That means only one chance is there. That means out of two, one chance is there. That means 50% chance is there for head. And for tail also same, because total 2 is there. Out of 2, 1 is head and 1 is tail. That means for the tail part also 1 by 2 is the chance. That is 50% is the chance of getting head and tail. Let's consider another example. Means in our school group, a quiz competition is going on. Okay, total 10 questions are there and two groups are there also, A group and B group. Okay, after completing 8 questions, okay, after completing 8 questions, this A group score 7 mark. Okay, A group score 7 mark and B group score 1 mark. Okay, two more questions are there, but here which group have more chance to win? Okay, which group have more chance to win? That means out of 8, here, out of 8, A group score 7. Here out of 8, B group score 1. Two more is there. Even though which group have more chance to win? That means here 7 by 8 is a chance for A and 1 by 8 is a chance for B. Which is higher, 7 by 8 or 1 by 8? 7 by 8 is the highest probability. That means group A has more chance to win. A has more chance to win because two more questions. Suppose if two questions wins B, B score 2 mark. 2 mark means for the next two questions, if B group score 2 mark means total will be 3. That 3 will be out of 10. Here also it will be 7 by 10. Then also highest probability is for A group. Okay, so chance of winning is more for the group A. A group will wins here. Okay, so this is the chance, and here we are considering from the total outcome. Okay, equation is there to find the probability. That means probability always we are considering from the total outcome. That means total how much is there. From that we are considering the probability. So here after 8 questions means at that day there the total outcome was 8. Okay, total was 8. From that we consider for A group 7. That is for the A group desirable outcome. That means favorable outcome, here it is 7. Now for the B group, out of 8, 1 means this 1 is the favorable outcome of B. Okay, so this is the equation. That means probability equal to favorable outcome divided by total outcome. So here favorable outcome means if we are considering A group, that A group's outcome will be in the numerator portion. That is favorable outcome for A. A group's favorable number we will write here. Now total outcome means for the entire problem, what is the total outcome, that we will write here. Okay, so this is the equation. Probability equal to favorable outcome divided by total outcome. Okay, Now let's move on to problems, then it will be more clear to you. Okay. So from first activity, first question is, a box contains 6 black and 4 white balls. If a ball is taken from it, what is the probability of it being black and the probability of it being white? So here a box contains 6 black and 4 white balls. Okay, balls are there, 6 black and 4 whites. Without looking into that box, without looking, we are taking one ball from the box. Okay, we are taking one ball. Now question is, if we are taking one ball from that box, what will be the probability of getting black ball? Okay, that ball will be black or white. Now for the black, how much is the probability, and for the white, how much is the probability? That is the question. So here total outcome we need to write first. Okay, total outcome. What is total outcome here? Total outcome means total how many balls in that box. Okay, total 6 plus 4, 10 balls are there. Okay, total 10 balls are there. Now black balls, how many black balls there? Black equal to 6. Then question is probability of getting black. What is the probability of getting black? What is the equation? Favorable divided by total. This is the equation, favorable divided by total. So here favorable means number of black ball is a favorable. Favorable case here it is black. That means favorable number. In order to find the probability of black ball, we need to write favorable number as black's number, that is 6. So 6 by total outcome. Total is 10. So out of 10 balls, that ball can be any number. But for black, there are 6 chances there. Out of 10, 6 chance is for black. So it is not compulsory to simplify this. If you want, you can, otherwise no need. The simplified form of 6 by 10 will be 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is a probability. Okay, so probability of getting black is 3 by 5. Next is white ball. How many white balls here? White balls are 4. Okay, so probability of getting white out of 10 balls, if you are taking one ball without looking into that box, probability of getting that white is favorable by total. So here in this case, favorable case will be white. Sorry, white here. So favorable case here it is white. So white number is 4 divided by total. Total is what? 10. So out of 10 ball, only 4 is the chance of getting white. So 4 by 10. The simplified form will be 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 or 3 by 5 is more. 3 by 5 is a large one. That means chance of getting black ball is more. Okay, chance of getting black ball is more. That is not, it is not specified here. Anyway, this is the answer for the first question. Okay, favorable case divided by total. Next is question number 2. There are 3 red balls and 7 green balls in a bag. 8 red and 7 green balls in another bag. 3 sub-questions are there. First sub-question, what is the probability of getting a red ball from the first bag? Second sub-question, from the second bag. That means same probability of getting red ball from the second bag. Third one is, if all the balls are put in a single bag, what is the probability of getting a red ball from it? Here in the second question, first bag contains red ball 3, green ball 7. For the second bag, red ball 8 and green ball 7. First sub question is, what is the probability of getting red ball from the first bag? Okay, probability of getting red from first bag. Only first bag we need to consider here. Okay, so P of red we need to find. So for that, equation is what? Favorable divided by total. So here favorable case is red. Red is a favorable case. So for that, number of red balls. Okay, red number. What is the number? 3. What is the total? Total outcome for the first bag is 3 and 7. 3 red ball and 7 green balls. So total 3 plus 7, 10 balls are there. Okay, so total outcome is 10. Now what will be the probability? P of R equal to favorable case is 3 by total is 10. So 3 by 10 is the probability of getting red ball from the first bag. Now for the second bag. Okay, same for the second. That is the second sub question. What is for the second bag? Same probability of getting red we need to find. P of R we need to find. So for the second bag, what is the favorable number? That is our red ball. Here it is 8. Okay, now total is what? Second bag contains 8 red and 7 green, so total is 15. Okay, so total is 15. Then probability of getting red ball will be what? Out of 15, 8. That is favorable is 8 divided by total is 15. So 8 by 15 is the answer. Now third sub question. Third sub question is, if we are taking all the balls in one bag, that means first bag and second bags. Okay, we are putting all the balls in a single bag. What will be the probability of getting red ball from that bag? Okay, we need to club. Okay, so if we are putting all the bags in a single bag, what will be the total? Here total is 10. For the first bag total is 10. Now for the second bag total is 50. So here for the third sub question, total will be 15. Okay, total will be 15. Total 15 balls will be there if we are putting all the bags in a single one. Now we need to find the probability of red. Okay, so favorable outcome for the third bag. For the third bag means the sum of these two. So for the single bag, red balls will be what? How many red balls will be? First bag 3 and second bag 8. So 8 plus 3 will be 11. So total 11 will be there. So here it is 25. Okay, 10 plus 15, 25. Total 25 balls will be there in the common bag. Now red balls are 11. Now here probability of red will be what? Probability of red will be equal to favorable case divided by total. That means for the common bag, red balls are 11. So 11 by total is 25. So 11 by 25 is the probability of getting red ball from that common bag if you are putting all in one. Okay, now one more question. What will be the probability of getting green at that bag for the third bag? Green is what? 7 plus 7, 14. So out of 25, 14 is the green ball. So probability of getting green ball will be what? 14 by 25. 14 by 25 will be the probability of getting green ball. Okay, so this is the second one's answer. Question number 3. One is asked to say a 2-digit number. What is the probability of it being a perfect square? Okay, it's 2-digit number. Probability of perfect square we need to find. I am asking you to say a 2-digit number. Okay, a 2-digit number. Now 2-digit number means starting from 10, then up to 99. In between any number you can say, isn't it? 2-digit number mean you can say any number in between 10 and 99. Okay, now question is, out of these numbers, what is the probability of that number being a perfect square? Okay, perfect square also you can say, isn't it? For example, 16. If you are saying 16, that is a perfect square. Okay, so question is, what is the probability of that number being a perfect square? So here also we need to write the total outcome. Okay, total number we need to write first. That means how many 2-digit numbers are there total? How many 2-digit numbers are there in total? 10 to 99, how many numbers? 99 minus 10. Okay, 99 minus 10, that is 89. 89 plus 1. In arithmetic sequence, we learn how to find the number in between a sequence. This is a sequence now, 10, 11, 12, etc. up to 99. So number will be 99 minus 10 plus 1 will be. Okay, So here number will be 90. So total 90 numbers are there. Okay, so total 90 numbers are there. Now perfect square. So here favorable case is what? Perfect square's chance we need to find. Okay, so here favorable case means it is perfect square. So we need to find how many perfect squares are there in between 10 and 99. Okay, how many perfect squares are there? Starting from 2-digit number we need to start. Don't start from single digit. So perfect numbers start from 16. Okay, 16 is a perfect square. 4 is a single digit and 9 also a single digit. So 4 4s are 16, then 5 5s are 25, then 6 6 are 36, then 7 7s are 49, then 8 8s are 64, then 9 9s are 81. Up to this. Okay, any other? Next you will be 10 tens are 100. That is a 3-digit number. So that is not possible to consider. So these are the perfect numbers in between 10 and 99. How many numbers here? Numbers. Total numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 numbers are there. 6 perfect numbers are there in between 10 and 99. So probability of being perfect square. So probability of being perfect square means equation is favorable outcome divided by total. So here favorable number is 6 by total is what? 90. So 6 by 90 is the probability. If you want you can simplify this. Okay, simplification will be by 3. So here 2, that is 2 by 30. Again we can, that is 1 by 15 is the probability of being it as a perfect square. Okay, so this is the answer. Question number 4. Numbers from 1 to 50 are written on slips of paper and put in a box. A slip is to be drawn from it, but before doing so, one must make a guess about the number, either prime number or multiple of 5. Which is a better guess? Why? Okay, we need to find the better guess and what is the reason. That also we need to find here. From 1 to 50 numbers we need to write in a paper slip. Okay, in each paper slip we need to write one number. Okay, so total 50 slips will be there. So total here it will be 50. Total will be 50. And we are going to put all these paper slips in a box. And from that box we are going to take one paper slip. Okay, we are going to take one slip. And before taking that, we need to make a guess. That number will be prime number or multiple of 5. Okay. Now, after taking that, what will be the better guess and what is the reason? Better guess means here which prime number or multiple of 5. These two are the predictions. Okay. So, which one have most chance? That means probability is more for prime or more for multiple of 5. That is we need to find. Okay, if one have more probability means that will be the better guess. Okay, so here we need to find the probability of getting prime number and probability of getting multiple of 5. Okay, so before that we need to write the prime numbers. How many prime numbers here? Favorable case for the first one, favorable case is prime number. For the second case, favorable case is multiple of 5. Okay, so here prime number, total we got it as 50. Total 50 slips are there. Out of that 50, how many prime number, how many multiples of 5? That we need to write. So prime number, which all are the prime numbers in between 1 and 50? Starting from 1. These are the prime numbers between 1 and 50. Okay, so here total 15 numbers are there. Total 15 prime numbers are there. You can count, total 15 is there. So here probability of getting prime number. Okay, if we are taking one slip from that box, the probability of getting prime number, probability of getting prime number will be what? Favorable divided by total. So here favorable, these are the favorable numbers and total it is 15. So 15 out of what? Total 50 slips are there. So out of 50, 15 slips will be what? Prime number. Okay, so this is the probability of getting prime number. Similarly, we have to find the probability of getting multiple of 5. Okay, probability of getting multiple of 5. So multiples of 5 between 1 and 50. So multiples of 5, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, so how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 numbers are there. So probability of getting multiple of 5 equal to favorable is 10 by out of what? 50. Okay, out of 50, 10 numbers are multiples of 5. So probability of getting multiple of 5 is 10 by 50. Okay, so which one have more probability? 15 by 50 or 10 by 50 is a larger one. 15 by 50 is the largest probability. That means the one who make a guess for prime number will wins. Okay, so better guess will be what? Prime number probability. Okay, prime number probability is the better guess. So this is the answer for the fourth question. Similarly, try to do the fifth question. Okay, same like this you can do that. Which one will be more means just write which fraction, that means that which fractions will be large one, that will be the biggest probability, that means the biggest chance will be that fraction. Okay, so try to do that. Hope you understood. Thank you. See you in the next video.